Hello there. By the time you get this video, it'll be your birthday. Happy birthday. This is your birthday present. It's called Untitled Russian assignment. You will find your present somewhere by the end of the day. There will be clues to help you along the way. It rhymes. But first, there are some few simple rules that you need to follow. Disobeying the rules will lead to unforeseen punishment. Rule number 1. By the end of this video, you are not allowed to call me until you find the treasure at all times. So I suggest you call me now. No, don't call me now. Rule number 2. You'll be provided with a sidekick along your journey. Your sidekick will be the only one that can help you with all your clues.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Rule number 3. You must bring your camera at all times to record your journey. However, only your sidekick is permitted to use the camera, unless it's told otherwise. Nice shot. Rule number 4. After completing each assignment, all material must be passed to your sidekick. Rule number 5. You have been provided with a sash, and you must wear it at all times throughout your journey. Rule number 6. You must finish all your assignments by 6 PM. I'm pretty with a highlighter. Last but not least, this message will self-destruct in...
No, we don't have that.
No. Well, I guess if you have any problem, you can always refer to your sidekick. Please don't be shy as I am doing this video for you, and please have fun. I'd like to thank my dad for this award.
Yeah, guys.